Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Akram. Today I'll talk about indefinite articles. I mean a and an. There are two types of articles. Definite means the and indefinite articles means a and an. Articles are so important as far as English language is concerned. Whether you want to speak or write, you must have command on the articles. So in this lecture, in this video, we are going to cover the indefinite articles, I mean a and an. Let's start it. The use of a or an is determined by sound. Then we were taught in class 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 as well as that the indefinite articles a and an are used on the basis of vowels and consonants. I think that was a rubbish method to learn indefinite articles. The right and the best way to understand a and an is that they are used on the basis of sounds. How the noun sounds, right? The starting pronunciation of noun matters a lot. How? Here I have gone through some examples. A boy, a pen, a car, a tree, right? Now don't see that by B is consonant or P, pen is consonant, car, C and T as well as. But I said that we must look at the sound, how a word starts, how noun starts. A boy, a pen, a car, a tree, there's the sound of consonant, right? Now here we go with an egg, an apple, an orange, right? Now E, A and O, they all are the vowels. But again I would like to repeat myself here that so what if there's a vowel? But again we use an and a on the basis of sounds. If there's a sound of vowel or a sound is there, then we should use an egg, an apple, an orange. Now the sound starts with a, therefore we have used an there, right? And there I have mentioned some different examples to clarify it further for you. A university, a useful book, a European, a 1 rupee note. Now listen carefully. A university, even though U is a vowel, yet we are not using here N because the sound is not of a. It gives different sound, right? A university, a useful book, the sound is not of a European, a 1 rupee note, therefore, and here we go, an honest man, an MA. Now, R, there's H, which is a consonant. Again, we have H, that is consonant, and there's M, that is also consonant. But we have used here N, R, an honest man, and MA, because they give us the sound of a, therefore. So the use of a or an is determined by the sound of noun, how a noun starts in pronunciation, right? Then I have also mentioned some different examples here for you. He is a smart boy. Listen now. Indefinite articles, I mean a and they are used with nouns, countable nouns, singular nouns, right? He is a smart boy. Smart is adjective, boy is noun, therefore we are used here a. He is a smart boy. But here he is smart. He is smart. There is no any boy, I mean noun. Therefore, we should never say he is a smart. Never try to say he is a smart or she is a beautiful. That is wrong. She is a beautiful girl. Because now with beautiful we have used noun girl, therefore we have to use article a there. So article indefinite is used with countable and singular nouns, right? He is smart, that is right. If we say he is a smart, then it will be wrong because there is no any noun therefore. And I also mentioned here he is a smart, which is wrong or incorrect. Then this usage is really important for you. This method is really of vital importance. How? Have a look at that. If more than one adjective or qualifying single noun, if more than one adjective or qualifying single noun, the article will be used according to the first adjective. Listen, if we have more than one adjectives in a single sentence, then the article indefinite will have to be used according to the first adjective. How? He is a brave and honest man. There are two adjectives now. There is brave as well as honest. But we have used only a because there is consonant sound therefore. He is a brave and honest man. No need to use, with honest. He is a brave and honest man. Again, we have changed the position of adjectives. He is an honest. Listen now. He is an honest and brave man. The same sentence is there. The meaning is also the same. But we have changed the place of adjectives. Here in the first sentence we have he is a brave and honest man. Then we have used an here. He is an honest and brave man. It is how the adjectives they take or an, right? Then we have he is an obedient, hardworking and handsome boy. Now there are three adjectives: obedient, hardworking and handsome, right? Now listen here. He is an obedient, hardworking and handsome boy. Now an obedient, because obedient starts with, it gives the sound of a, of vowel, therefore we have used an obedient, right? But if the same sentence is there and we misplace, we change the place of adjectives, then we will have to use a. Suppose how? He is a handsome, obedient and hardworking boy. So this is how we use indefinite articles with one or more than one adjectives. Then we have another usage of indefinite article, that is now here we have used two articles in a single sentence. There are two sentences. Because of article, they both give different meanings. Now I have a black and white cat. The noun is cat and there are two adjectives, black and white, right? I have used only single article, that is only I have a black and white cat. That means there is one cat. That is one cat which is of black and white color. The cat is one which is of black and white color. And if I say in the second sentence, I have a black and a white cat. Now listen, black and white, the cat is also one there. But now the two articles, I have a black and a white cat. Now we have used article twice here. Therefore, this sentence means I have two cats. I have a black and a white cat. This means I have two cats. I have a black and a white cat, because we have used article twice therefore. So this is what the importance of indefinite article in your English language. Whether you want to speak or write your English, to beautify your language, you must have command on the articles, whether it is indefinite or definite article. We must have good command on these all things.